Good morning. You've reached the ALPS clinic. This is Miranda speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I need to schedule an appointment with Dr. Aaron Carden, please.
Of course, I'd be happy to help with that. Are you a new patient or have you visited us before?
I'm a new patient.
Welcome to our clinic then. Before we proceed, may I know if you're covered by private insurance or public health insurance?
I have private insurance.
Thank you for that information. Now, could you please tell me a little about the problem you're experiencing?
Sure, I've been having a stomachache, and I constantly feel full, even without eating much.
I understand. That sounds uncomfortable. We'll make sure to get you seen by our doctor. Let me check our schedule for the earliest availability. It looks like we have an opening next Monday. Would that work for you?
Oh, I won't be able to make it on Monday. I have an important appointment with my boss that day.
No worries. Let me check for other openings. How about Tuesday at 3 p.m.?
Tuesday at 3 p.m.? Yes, that works for me.
Great. I've scheduled you for Tuesday at 3 p.m. Could you please make sure to arrive at least 10 minutes early to fill out the necessary paperwork as a new patient?
I will do. Thanks for your help.
It's my pleasure. We look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Is this Mr. Johnson?
Good afternoon. Yes, speaking. What can I do for you?
Hello, Mr. Johnson. This is Miranda calling from the Alps Clinic. I'm afraid I have some unfortunate news to share. Dr. Carden has fallen ill and won't be able to see patients for the rest of the week. We need to reschedule your appointment that was set for Tuesday at 3 p.m.
Oh, no, that's really inconvenient for me. I was really counting on seeing Dr. Carden because my issue is quite urgent. When do you expect him to be back?
I understand your concern and apologize for the inconvenience. Dr. Carden won't be seeing patients until next week, I'm afraid.
This is really urgent for me. Is there any chance I could see another doctor sooner?
Let me check the schedule for you. Yes, we do have another doctor available, Dr. Lee. There's an opening this Friday morning at 8 a.m. Would you be able to come in then?
Friday at 8 a.m.? Yes, that will work. I just really need to be seen as soon as possible.
I've scheduled you for Friday at 8 a.m. with Dr. Lee. Please ensure you arrive a little early to complete the patient intake form. And remember to bring your insurance card with you.
I will, and thanks for finding me this spot so quickly.
Of course, we're here to help, and I really do apologize for the need to reschedule. We understand how important your health is, and we appreciate your flexibility.
All right. Thanks for your help, Miranda.
You're welcome, Mr. Johnson. Thank you for your understanding. We look forward to seeing you on Friday. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Johnson.
Hello, Chicago Passport Agency. Richard speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Andy Jefferson. I need to renew my passport, which expires next month. Can I schedule an appointment?
Sure, let me check our appointment schedule. The earliest I can find is on November 10th at 11 a.m. Would that work for you?
That's a bit late for me. I have an important business trip next month. Is there any chance for an earlier appointment?
Let me double check. I'm sorry, but all earlier appointments are fully booked. November 10th is the earliest available slot we have.
I see. How long does the renewal process take?
The current passport processing timelines are 6 to 8 weeks. However, since you have an urgent business trip, we do offer expedited services. With this option, we can process your passport renewal in about 3 weeks. There is an additional fee of $120 for expedited processing on top of the regular renewal fee. Would you be interested in this option?
Yes. That sounds perfect. How do I go about paying the extra fee and ensuring my renewal is expedited?
You can pay the expedited service fee at the time of your appointment. Just make sure to bring the expedited service fee along with the regular renewal fee.
Could you also tell me the regular renewal fee for the passport?
Of course, the regular renewal fee is $130 for a passport book. If you need a passport card, it's $30. And for those who need both, the total fee is $160. I've booked you for November 10th at 11 a.m. Let's go over what you'll need to bring with you.
Yes, please. What do I need to bring?
You'll need to bring a filled-out DS-82 form, your most recent passport, and a recent passport photo taken within the last 6 months.
Okay. I will make sure to bring all of those. Anything else?
Please visit our agency website to check the detailed passport requirements, especially for the photo, as your application could be delayed if your photos do not meet our guidelines.
Got it. I'll be sure to check the requirements on the website. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We want to make sure your renewal process is as smooth as possible. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us.
I appreciate your assistance. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, this is Emma from ALPS Auto Repairs. How can I assist you today?
Hello, Emma. I need to get my car serviced. I think it needs an oil change and the front brakes replaced.
Sure, we can help with that. You can bring your car in next Monday at 9 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. How long do you think it will take?
We should have it all done in about 4 hours, maximum. We'll get started on it right away when you drop it off.
That sounds good. Do you by any chance offer a substitute car while mine is being repaired? I'll need a way to get around.
Yes, we can provide a rental car for you. It would be $40 per day, not including fuel.
That is great. Could you please book a car for me on Monday?
You're welcome. I have booked the car for you on Monday. We're here to make sure your experience is as hassle-free as possible. See you on Monday then.
See you Monday. Thanks again.
Anytime. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.